The manufacture of paper-faced gypsum board from the preparation of a variety of raw materials, the mixing of slurry, the combination and molding of slurry and face paper, solidification into whiteboard, and then through cutting, drying, edge cutting, edge wrapping, and stacking, all linked cooperatively closely to form an automatic mechanical flow operation line. After the upper paper is uncoiled, it enters the automatic deviation correction machine and the forming machine. The error of the deviation correction machine is less than 2 mm. After the down paper is uncoiled, through automatic deviation correction machine, easy to edge folding, scoring machine, and the vibration platform, it enters the forming machine.
让我遇见了你，刚好我住的地方不大不小，容下你一个不
All
多
mix the raw material and the additives are injected into mixer and fall onto the vibration platform. Break the bubble. Spread the slurry evenly. Avoid empty and leakage material on both sides. And enter the foaming machine. The foaming machine is used to adjust the thickness of gypsum board. Then complete the initial sighting on the solidification belt. The initial sighting belt is a whole belt, which adopts background or candy tack in China. Number 1 initial sighting belt roller is made of stainless steel, with thickness 2.5 mm. Number 2 initial sighting belt roller adopts high precision draw type, with thickness 2.5 mm. Our rollers are strengthened by straightening equipment. The runout of the roller is less than 0.3 mm, and the frame body adapts 250 mm stick channel steel. The conveyor roller is stainless steel, which can light the heat of gypsum board out through the fixed length cutter. It's cutting into the required length, 2,400 mm, 3,000 mm, or other. The cutting machine adopts German SEW servo motor, and the cutting error is less than 2 mm. Then turn through number 1 transverse machine to make the gypsum board face side up. In order to keep gypsum board face side clean and make the protective paper stick well, they use the closing roller to make the spacing between the two boards meet the requirements, and then throw the distributor to the dryer.
有时候没有天时，有时候没有地利，在爱情的江湖，我身不由己。
The dryer isolation panel thickness is 160 mm, and the density is 120 kg per steer.
刚好我住的地方不大不小，容下你一个不多不少，我们这样刚好。
The main trim of the dryer adopts the national standard 24A roller chin.
刚好，我们的身高差得刚好，亲你的时候我一踮脚，刚好就够得到。有时候没有天时，有时候没有地利，在近的江湖我身不由己。我积攒了多少年的运气，等来这小概率的奇迹，让我遇见了你。刚好，当我想你的时候，刚好
Dryer is divided into 2 to 3 zones based on output to control the temperature
我们
of
这样
different
刚
zones.
好，我们爱的刚好。
And avoid defects such as overburning and drying. The process has the advantages of environmental
那
friendly,
天我上课
energy
迟到
saving,
刚
high thermal efficiency.
你旁边位置空着刚好。
After drying, the gypsum board goes into number 2 transport system through the
没
distributor.
想到怎么那么刚好，你爸妈把你生得刚好。
Two gypsum board face papers are combined to keep face paper clean.
你也这么
Enter the
想
fixed length trimming and automatic edge wrapping system. And then
有时候
automatic
没有
stacking
天时，
through the
有
finished
时候
product
没有地
conveyor.
利，在近的江
The
湖
maximum
我身
bearing
不由
capacity
己。
of the stacker is 5 tons,
我积攒了
with
多
energy
少
storage
年的
station
运气，
and the
等
function
来
of
这
fast
小概
rise
率
and
的奇
fall.
迹，让我
Speed
遇
of
见了
fast
你。
rise is 150 millimeters per second, and that
我
of
住
fast
的地
fall
方不大
is 200 millimeters per second.
容下你一个不多不少，我们这样刚好。
After stacking, it is transported to the packing area by forklift for inspection and packaging.
刚好，我们的身高差得刚好，亲你的时候我一踮脚，刚好就够得到。
And the whole production process is completed.
有时候没有天时，有时候没有地利，在近的江湖我身不由己。我积攒了多少年的运气，等来这小概率的奇迹，让我遇见了你。刚好，当我想你的时候。